So welcome to this video, and now this is going to be a special update video, and we have Hurricane Iselle in the Pacific. Right now, it has bombed out. Well, not really bombed out, but it's intensified steadily over the past several days. It's been in a very favorable environment for the past several days, and thus, it has attained Category 4 strength with winds of 120 knots. It's truly incredible. The EPAC has done it again. And there's not been, the good news is that there's not been much change to the forecast. I mean, it's shifted a little bit northward, even though somehow it's still bringing the system into the Big Island, well, particularly the Euro. And some of the statistical analog models like Clipper do show a more southerly track, and do show a more southerly track. Or the more dynamical, complex models like the JFDL, JFS, and Euro show a more northerly track, but all of it show it affecting Hawaii at some point or another. And if all goes well, we can, but if the system is a pass, like many East Pacific hurricanes are, and refuses to die, and refuses to quit, like you typically see in this part of the world, and that's what, in my opinion, makes these storms in this part of the world the best, then we have problems for Hawaii. This is the biggest threat to the islands since Velocity 07, probably. Since that at least threatened the islands as a, I think, weakening Cat 2, and appeared to head north, but once it started interacting with the Big Island, as well as the earthquake, which I think messed everything up a little bit, it kind of diverged south and pulled a bud. Still, this is something that needs to be watched very closely over the next few days for interest in the Hawaiian Islands. And there's good agreement that we could see a tropical storm there, possibly a hurricane, if the European Center for Medium Range Weather Forecast Euro model is correct. But I'm more leaning on, at least for now, a tropical storm landfall. But right now there's some uncertainty, and I'll do an actual weekly update video later today or early tomorrow. But I will say that the system could be one of two tropical cyclones that hit Hawaii this week, or within a few days, later this week. Because we could also have Hurricane Julio that's expected to move through the islands. Then we don't know how strong this will be. I mean, at worst, I think Iselle could maintain its intensity for several days. It could be a hurricane, it's doable. But more likely, it's going to weaken and be a tropical storm. So right now, I lean towards a tropical storm landfall. Julio could be strong for that landfall, and there's good agreement with the models that system will brush South Point and the Big Island, possibly move a little bit further north, since models have gradually been turning northward. So both Iselle and Julio in a few days are moving west now. But in a few days, we'll start moving west toward west. Right now, Iselle has winds of 120 knots, while Julio has winds of 35 knots. Right now, Iselle is what we call an annular hurricane. It has very little banding features, which it has very few. An annular hurricane also has a very well-defined and circular line that is unusually large, and it is. So this is pretty much an annular hurricane, or what's also known as a donut, or a truck tire. So I guess it's possible Julio could at least approach Iselle's intensity and become a major, though there is some wind shear, and I'll probably talk more about that in a future later. But I'm wrapping this special update video up, and I urge residents in the Hawaiian Islands to very carefully monitor the progress of Iselle. Because if all goes bad, this can be a very catastrophic hurricane. I mean, it's unlikely now, but something that's definitely bearing bears watching over the upcoming days, just in case the system becomes a very severe hurricane. Flooding will be an issue. We'll see. It's probably too premature to speculate on what kind of effects that this hurricane will have. But I'm wrapping this up. Bye.